Hello and welcome to your daily dose of complete health with your local chiropractor, Dr. Patrick Hogg. Please like and subscribe for more videos.
Good morning, this is your daily dose of complete health with your local chiropractor, Patrick Hogg, and we have a completely free health class running in our clinic site at 7 p.m. Why am I telling you this? Well, this is really interesting. Did you know that on average 12 million days are lost in working environments in the UK every year due to low back pain? Let me just say that one more time. 12 million days are lost in work days in the UK due to low back pain and sciatica. So the reason why we teach these free classes and we do these free workshops and we come to people's offices and we do posture checks and we do all of this stuff is that we are trying to aid our community in not only feeling bad, but actually helping our community's economy and actually just helping people both from the employer and the employee point of view be able to maintain a lifestyle where they can support themselves and they can support people around them. That's really great. What we do is we were doing these all the time. So we love doing free health classes in our office. We've even done free health classes and workshops in people's offices in the past, where we'll come around and we do completely free posture checks. Using a digital app, we take some photos of people, it's really quick, and we can start to screen and scan whether those people have a risk of potential low back issues either then or in the future. We can also teach really simple workshops where we can go through some of the main points of what causes low back pain, where does low back pain come from, how does it actually start to affect people's lives, and what can we personally do as an individual that can actually help us reduce the risk of actually having low back pain. So maybe you haven't had low back pain before, but on average, anywhere from 80 to 90% of people will develop low back pain at some point in their life, and this could lead to longer term problems or could lead to days off work. So just bear that in mind, because when everyone always says this, well, it hasn't happened to me yet. And the irony of it is that these things can be sizzling underneath the razor for many years before they actually start to manifest. So a lot of people, it will just start as a general ache and stiffness. They might feel achy and generally stiff in the morning, or they might feel achy or generally stiff after they finish work. And then the condition starts to progress. It's an ongoing thing. And it's a little bit like that mold in the corner of someone's house. It starts off very small, but then the spots start to spread. Same again as a small leak. A small leak may only be a small issue to start off with, but as that leak starts getting onto the hardwood and the hardwood starts to rot and expand, this can start to lead to more serious and long-term conditions. And so it's very much easier to prevent these things from the earliest stages than waiting until they go severely wrong. So, like I say, mild, moderate, severe, understanding the things that cause low back pain and the things we can do to help prevent it or reduce it are really, really important. That's the reason why we work these free workshops. Maybe you want to come to our free workshop this evening, 7 o'clock within the clinic. Or maybe you want us to come to your office and actually have a look at engaging some of these free workshops for yourself or your team. And again, we can do that by bookings if we can see that the people are going to be there to actually benefit from it. And like I say, with all of these workshops, we tend to come through with our iPad and have a little look and see what's actually going on with the individuals that might want to learn a little bit more about what's going on with their posture and what they can do to help prevent that low back pain. Patrick here from Complete Health. If you need us, please send us a message. I'd love to be able to help you and your team, you and your environment, you and your family, whoever it is in our community. We love helping them get back to their ideal health. Patrick from Complete Health, this is your daily dose. We'll speak to you soon. Take care for now.